it'd be perfect to do it while I got the lights out, just so I can show you guys everything. So over here, y'all seen all this stuff before, but it's just a little bit better. I still need to fix this. I feel like it's kind of crooked. I don't know what I did, because when it's on the wall, it's not straight. I don't know what I did, and it's really like OCD. My OCD kick in, y'all. So I have my wall, and I just put my bag up there and my picture, and I need to fix this board, which go follow. There we go, guys. I just put stuff I need to do on here, things to do, legit. Just, I need to fix this because I need to make a schedule for my channel. So I just like, since I put this behind over here because there's nowhere else I can put it, y'all. Literally, there's nowhere else I can put this unless I turn it like over here. But I'm okay with it. Y'all see what I'm talking about right here? It's something wrong. There's something wrong. It looks straight, but it's not. Maybe I'm crazy. No, I'm not crazy. It's not straight, and it's really throwing me off. Anyways, I love this wall, though, because it's like when I record over here, it's really pretty. And I got the vine all over the wall, and I got my hat still on the wall over here, y'all. So I'm gonna just leave this like this. Then I got my white mat. So I moved my room around this way because it's so pretty, and I'm right in front of my screen. So when I go to sleep, I can just like watch TV. So it looks so much better this way. Like if I come over here, ignore the dirty clothes, I have everything I need over here. So there's just bags and like my wash stuff, and I organized my little food pantry over here. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I organized my food pantry. So, and it don't look organized, but it is. And I have, because I set my makeup over here, and I just did my makeup video, Get Ready With Me, so go check that out. And I did my makeup, so I set my whole thing up over here, and that really helps too. I really love how this is. I tried to like unclutter, so y'all, I took one of these down and put them over here for my food, which really helped a lot of the clutter because I got a lot of stuff. I found out I got a lot of stuff. So I hate the noise that thing makes, but this is what I get. Let me get out the way. I get to look at me. And when I do my videos right in front of the bed, I really love that I did it this way. Because I love when I watch TV or watch something or watch horror movies, it's fun looking directly at the TV. Even though I was in the corner last time, it's good this way. It's my favorite. I look so good right there. God, I need my hair back like that. So anyways, I straightened up one of these and I took off one and put them over here with my food. Because I got a lot of stuff, y'all see. It's like rice and seasonings in here. And not that much junk, just because I made like just chips and potatoes. So yeah, a little shy laugh anyway. I got my petition over here. It's like I did it this way because I wanted some more simple. I wanted it more organized, which it definitely is, because when you see it, it doesn't look like it's like, I know it looks like it's a lot, but it's really not. I say that every time, but it's true. I organized my journals over here that I use, my makeup on this other side, and legit everything, you know, just like a little junk drawer that I use right there. Everybody has them, so don't act like you don't. And then I set up my makeup and stuff over here when I do my videos now. So that's really helpful. And it's perfect lighting too. I need to give myself credit because when I do these videos, I have perfect lighting. And it's like being by the window bring extra light. So I definitely love it, y'all. So I just wanted to do this quick video just to show you guys what it looks like now, because I moved my whole bed, moved everything around, set the tapestry, and it looks so much better. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to check out my blog, Brown Skin Girl. Here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There I go again, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Bye. You can also follow me on Tumblr at Brown Skin Girl, because I started a Tumblr for it, which has been going really good. So, bye. Go check out the blog.